Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Afam Ngozika. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are welcome, okay? None. If you're first timer here, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun as usual. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me by watching my videos each time I upload, okay? Good. Before we delve into what we have for today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell beside it. Yes. So that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. Okay? Good. Today's video is about household objects in Igbo language. Okay? Let's start with a house. House. Uno. A house. Uno. Ebim no. I live in a house. Ebim no. I live in a house. Okay? Good. Number 2. Chair. Oche. Chair. Oche. Chair. Number 3, we have ntuoyi, air condition, ntuoyi, air condition. Number 3, we have television, onyonyo, onyonyo. Okay. Number 4, we have table. Table, that is for table, okay? Number 5, akpati oku, radio, akpati is a box, akpati, a box. Then oku, when you talk, when you speak, it has to do with speech. Oku, so the talking box. Akpati oku, radio. Okay? Very good. The next one is iko, cup. Iko, cup. Iko. Good. The next one is a knife. Mma. A knife. Good. The next one is spoon. Ngaji, spoon. Okay? Ngaji, spoon. Then we have pot. Ite. Good. Now we have basket. Nkata. We have basket, nkata. Okay? We have bucket. The next one we have plate. Evele. Some call it efele. We call it evele. Okay? The next one is kettle. Ketulu. For kettle, okay? We have mortar. Ikwe. For mortar. We have pestle. Akodo for pestle, okay? Now we have sieve, the one we use in the kitchen. Sieve, inyo, for sieve, okay? The next one is cupboard. In Igbo, we call it cupboard. The next one is the bed. The bed you lie on, the bed you sleep on. aqua, aqua, aqua. The next one is your curtains. You know your curtains? Your curtains. Aqua mgbochi, aqua mgbochi, aqua mgbochi. Then the next one is your clothes, your dress, your shirts, your clothes in general, okay? Aqua, aqua. So you see the difference? The bed gives you aqua, then your clothes gives you aqua, okay? Very good. The next one is sponge. Sponge. Obo. Sponge gives you obo in Igbo language. Okay? Then the soap. Ncha. Regardless of the kind of soap you're talking about. If it's a toilet soap, detergent, whatever it is. Generally, we have ncha. Ncha. For soap. Now, if you want to specify the kind of soap you are talking about, ncha eji awụ arụ, bathing soap, okay? Then ncha eji asụ akwa, the one used for washing clothes, the one used for laundry, okay? Asụ, wash, akwa, clothes. So ncha eji asụ akwa, okay? We also have the ncha eji asevele. Ncha eji asevele, the one used in the kitchen for washing plates and whatever thing you want to wash in the kitchen, okay? Good. Now the next one is mirror. Ugogbe. Ugogbe. Mirror. Ugogbe. Some other dialects call it nyo, okay? But we call it ugogbe. Ugogbe. Mirror. Ugogbe. Okay? Good. Now we have comb. Comb. Mvo. Eji avọ isi. Go get me a comb. Je wetele mu mvo. Eji avọ isi. It is used for combing the hair. Okay? Mvo. Comb. Comb. Okay? Very good. Now the next one is fan. Akupe. Akupe. Fan. Akupe. Umbrella. Nchemmili. Nchemmili. Nchemmili for umbrella. Akupe for fan. Okay? The next one is bag. Akpa. Bag. Akpa. Bag. Akpa. Then box. Igbe. Box. Igbe. Then we have opu. Hat. Opu. Hat. Opu. Hat. Then the next one is ute. Mat. Mat. As in mat. Okay? Ute. Mat. Ute. Mat. Then we have the heater. Remember we said the air condition. The air condition is ntuoyi. Oyi is cold. Ntuoyi. Now the heater is called ntuoku. Ntuoku. Oku is heat. Okay? Ntuoku. Ntuoku is the heater. Okay? The next one is aziza. Aziza. Broom. Aiza. Broom. Aziza. Broom. Then packer. Mpo. You know, we use it in packing refuse. We use it in packing the swept dirt. Okay? A packer. Mpo. Okay? Yes. Mpo is your packer. Okay? Good. The next is uzo. Uzo. Door. Uzo. Door. Okay? We have key. Igodo. Igodo. For key. Get me the keys. Chiamu igodo. Chiamu igodom. Get me my key, okay? Keys. Igodo. Door, uzo. Now let me explain something. Uzo can also pass for road, okay? Uzo. But it depends on the sentence you're trying to make. But uzo can pass for road and also for the door, okay? Uzo. Very good. All right, the next one is backyard. Azu uno. Azu uno. You know, the azu is for the back and uno is for the house. So azu uno. Azu uno. Then the front yard. Iru uno. Iru front. Iru front. Then house. Uno. Okay? So we have Iru uno. Front yard. Azu uno. Backyard. Okay? Now we have the compound. Mbalo uno. Mbalo uno. The compound. Our compound. Mbala banye. Mbala for compound. Okay? Now the next one is okay. The toilet. The toilet is called uno mpochi. Okay? Uno mpochi. Uno mpochi. Uno mpochi for the toilet. Okay? Now the dining room, it's called uno erimeri. That is for enjoyment, eating and drinking. Okay, we have the light. Oku. Good. Let me explain something here. You know oku? Oku can pass for light and fire. Okay? Oku, light. It can also pass for fire. Oku, light, and also for fire. Okay? Now, electric light. We have oku electric. Electric is electricity. Electric. Okay? In Igbo, electric. So oku electric, as in the light in the house. We also have a bottle, onono. A bottle, onono. Some call it kalama. Okay? Where I come from, we call it onono. Okay? Ovu onono mia. A bottle of drink, a bottle of juice, ovu onono mia. Ovu, one. Bottle, onono. Then mmia, mmanya, drink. The drink, generally. Yes, no specification whether it's alcohol or non-alcohol. Okay? Now the next one is a story building, okay? A story building. Unana, you know, a bungalow or any kind of building, as long as it's a building at the ground level. The ground level, okay? Unana. Uno, house, ana, ground or floor. Onana. Immediately it becomes more than one story. We have 2 story, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We call it uno enu. Uno enu. Uno, house. Enu, top, up. So uno enu and uno ana. Okay? Very good. I told you something about knife. Mma. That's a general name. That is a general name for a knife, okay? But when we come to the one we use in the kitchen, we call it mma eku, kitchen knife. Mma eku, kitchen knife. Mma eku, okay? Mma eku, okay? Now when it comes to stove, there's this traditional stove where we have a tripod clay mounds, 3 clay mounds, okay? Where we cook our meals. We insert our firewood inside and make a fire, okay? That is what serves us as our own stove. That's our traditional stove, okay? We call it eku. Eku. This was generally used in our Igbo land before the inception of the gas stove, the kerosene stove, gas cookers, and whatever stove we use today in our homes. Many still use it now, but mostly in the rural areas, okay? So eku is for stove. Eku, stove. We have a whole lot of items, but this is the first compilation I am able to come up with. Maybe in the future, if I get another compilation, I'll come here and teach you guys, okay? I trust you've learned a thing or two in today's video. Thank you for always staying with me to the end of every video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye.